So this is a cross piece that we use to hold together our horse jumps. There's a round end. We use this machine behind us to accomplish that round end, which I'll show you here in just a minute. I've already cut an angle into the top, and I've cut a notch in the bottom that will help us attach the feet. I use a U-bolt to go around the foot here, and then the 2x8 sits in here. This edge, this square edge, will help keep the standard square. I'm going to use the saw bench here to lay out our holes here to drill in our round mortises. I put the notch down because the foot will be on the outside, and on the inside we'll drill the holes on the inside of both sides, and then we can put our cross pieces that are right here across. So I want to be able to stack the standards together, so I want at least a foot at the bottom for space. And I'll probably come up another 6 inches, so I'll probably do 18 inches here, and then from the top here I'll measure down a good distance, but still close enough to the top that we don't have that much unsupported wood that can break in case the standard blows over in the rain or in the wind.